One of the primary purposes of having a job is to make money. But what if you can't get a job or don't want to commit to one? How can you make money without a job? The great news is that there are different ways to make money without having a job that requires long hours in an office. Making money doesn't have to involve the typical 9-to-5 route. With some creative thinking and willingness to venture outside of the box, it's possible to make money without a job. Here are some creative and time-tested ways to make money without a job. Rent out items. One of the best ways of making money without a job is to rent out items. With online services such as Airbnb and RENTMYITEMS, it's never been easier to rent out items that you own. From cars to clothes, tech equipment to instruments, you can make money with items you already own by renting them out for competitive bulk prices. Dress designing or stitching. Do you know how to stitch or design clothing? If so, this is a great way to make money without a job. Whether you get orders from boutiques or from general public, learning how to stitch and design clothes can be lucrative and profitable. Moreover, you can also benefit from making and selling artistic crafts. If you're good at crafts, such as painting or artwork, then this is a great way to make money without a job. Flip furniture. If you're a fan of furnishings, then flipping furniture is one of the best ways to make money without a job. You can find furniture at flea markets, resale shops, or free on the side of the road. Refurbish the furniture and then sell it for a higher price. This requires some creativity and artistic flair, but it's a great way to make money without a job. Financial investing. Another way to make money without a job is to invest in financial assets. Investing in stocks is one of the most popular ways to make money without a job. There are plenty of online platforms that allow you to invest in stocks. Some online apps also allow you to earn money from stock investments without investing in a robust financial market. Investing in real estate is another great way of making money without a job. If you liked the video, give it a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.